Improve image quality with HDR effect. Whether you need to fix low lighting, image blurry, or poor focus, Photor's advanced HDR effect can help cover all your needs. It uses AI technology to analyze and transform your image into a high-definition, rich HDR photograph. Restore the details that might be lost with standard digital cameras and reproduce the vivid colors as your eyes see it. Pro-level photo enhancement toolset. Photor's free image quality enhancer offers a full set of built-in photo enhancement tools to help further enhance your photos. With a few simple clicks, you can fine-tune the brightness, saturation, exposure, and contrast, increase sharpness, unblur images, resize images and more. Instantly provide your photos with a lift and take them to a whole new level. Enhance photos now.
Instantly provide your photos with a lift and take them to a whole new level. Enhance photos now.